Smith and I'm studying BA Indian Music at NMIMS School of Performing Arts. I'm currently studying in my first year and I definitely want to share my experience and thoughts. The Indian music program follows a very rigorous and unique process. It is known as the Guru Shishya program, where the students follow a dedicated schedule of riyaz and practice with the content learned at the college under the observation of the faculty. There's a technical riyaz where we are taught the basics and the foundation of the rag, consisting of sapats, alankars, murchana and meend, which helps our understanding of the notes in the raga. Then there is the practical element of stage performance, where we are taught the main body, which consists of the bandish, the alap and the dance, where we are always encouraged to present our practice and our learnings in front of the faculty. We are taught 5 ragas in each semester and we are given ample time for each of the rags to learn from our guru and to also bring our own learnings and interpretations to it. In the second year, we are also provided with music technology and production classes to flourish in other aspects of music too. This includes studio sessions, learning how to use softwares and design music to increase our knowledge in the field. The great thing about our course is that there's a balanced concept of theory and practical to help inherit a better understanding of the practical elements and the content that we are learning in a broader field. For example, when we are learning something practical and the content is practical and we are given the theoretical information, it helps with our application in the performance greatly. Alongside our course, we also have events such as Naad Expression, which is our monthly concert for the students to present their learnings and understandings in front of everyone to grow and learn. We are exposed to performing in front of an audience to increase our confidence and become more calmer and happier versions of ourselves with our music. Recently, we have also established the better concept, wherein every 15 days there is a small concert for the Indian students to present what they learned and also exposed to other genres of music that they can perform, such as ghazals and much more. All of this is shared in our college social media platform to encourage the students and increase awareness on the growth of the students and the incredible quality of the college. NMIMS is known for their high standards, wonderful infrastructure, and their constant dedication to ensure every student is flourishing and working hard towards their goal. With that, they are ensuring that we are equipped with all the necessary tools and essentials, providing us with amazing instruments, mics, and rooms for our performance and our learning. Last but not least, I would definitely like to mention the amazing faculty in our college. Our teachers and our dean make sure that they deliver the content in equal time for us to learn and practice, while also giving us individual time to help work on our flaws. They spend time with us also after college hours too, if we need any assistance or feel any sort of nervousness or hindrance. I'm truly grateful and thankful that I joined NMIMS School of Performing Arts, and I sincerely urge you all who are interested and passionate in music to definitely join this college to make your learning experience worthwhile and to leave with an immense knowledge of music to shine in the future. Let's check out the glimpses of the learning sessions. Thank you.